You and your horrible puns. Ooh, you noticed me, didn't you? You just looked at me. Yeah, come on, bring it. Bring it. Bring it, buddy. I'm not afraid of you. Come on. Come on. You gonna get me? You gonna bite me? Well, there's glass. There's glass, you can't do nothing. You can't do nothing. Fucker. Dude, you were so missing this. This snake really wants to get at me. It hates me so much. No, dude, guys, come here, seriously, like right now. You're missing this. I have gotten the attention of this snake. It's like right above the glass. It saw me and it's all like, no, I'm gonna fuck you up. Look at it, look at it. It's staring me down. Yeah. I see you. I see you. Come on. Come on. Attack the glass. You know you want to. Is it moving its tail? No. It's like, dude, you're not even worth my time.